Hi, this is Training for All, and today I'm going to show you how to insert page numbers into a Microsoft Word document. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you've done that, please like or share the video. Now, you can see there's no page numbers in this document. And if you see the menu, you can click to insert, and then you go there, and then you click the arrow at the right hand side of this icon, and you can click on page numbers, and then you will choose where to position your number. If you want it to the right hand side, it stays there, or just find it center. And if you want to show the number on the first page, you click here, but in my case I don't want to, and I want to show my page number at the bottom of the page, and I click on OK, and you can see now this is my first page, which is my cover page. If you haven't if you don't know how to add a cover page, check in the description below and learn how to add a cover page. And now you can see my second page has a number, the second one, and so on. Even when you add more pages, automatically the page numbers will be added. Thank you for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, because we do videos every day, so you don't miss any of our videos. We give tutorials on Microsoft Word, on WooCommerce, on WordPress, and many more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.